It's a rainy, balmy day here in Coimbatore and we have been riding the 2025 TVS Apache RTR 310. And it gets updated for 2025 with few new design elements, and also there have been changes made to the engine. What are the updates like? What are the changes to the engine? We'll discuss all of that. But before we begin this review, I request you to subscribe to the NDTV Auto YouTube channel in case you haven't already, and click on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on the latest videos from NDTV Auto. So let me quickly tell you about the design updates to the RTR 310 for 2025. Firstly, the motorcycle now gets this nice, rugged, robust knuckle guard. So it's a standard fitment, protects your knuckle while you're riding. So that's a nice feature to have. Then the turn indicators, they have a sequential function, right? Right now the motorcycle is switched off, but we'll put in an insert there. And then you have this nice transparent clutch cover as seen on the RR 310 as well. Nice premium touch when it comes to the overall sporty aesthetic of the motorcycle. And if you just zoom in here on the fuel tank, then you'll see that there is no key slot because the motorcycle now gets a keyless ride. So you don't have to physically slot in the key and then switch on the motorcycle. That's a nice feature to have. The instrument console, the switch gear, all these features stay the same. Now the engine has been recalibrated as well. The power and torque figures stay the same. The engine is paired to a 6-speed gearbox, but TVS done some internal revisions to the engine, making it better performing in terms of throttle input. So on the earlier model, the throttle input was slightly snatchy. On this model, it's been recalibrated. It's smoother. It feels really good to just ring the throttle. And we've been riding this motorcycle on the Coast high-speed test track in Coimbatore. Now when we were riding, it was really pouring down very hard, so we couldn't push the motorcycle as much as we would have wanted to. Nonetheless, the engine feels more refined than before, the vibration is slightly less, and what is really amazing about this motorcycle is the fact that it now gets smart drag torque control. It works in conjunction with the 6-speed slip and assist clutch and gearbox, and it delivers the torque in a very linear fashion. So there's no jerkiness, there's no snatchy feeling when you just like pin the throttle down very hard, and there's no wheel hopping either. The gearbox is really nice, it's absolutely smooth, very easy to use, and yes, we like the performance of the motorcycle, but we couldn't push it as much as we wanted to because it was just pouring down like anything. Nonetheless, it's a definite improvement over the previous model. Now TVS offers the Apache RTR 310 in 4 variants. The base variant gets cruise control, traction control, drag torque control and rear wheel lift protection. The top variant gets a bi-directional quick shifter in addition to all the features on the base variant. The BTO 1 kit gets tire pressure monitoring system along with a brass coated chain and adjustment for front and rear suspension. Lastly, the BTO 2 kit gets a bunch of added features like launch control, keyless ignition, and a bunch of electronic rider aids like cornering traction control, cornering cruise control, cornering drag torque control, and cornering ABS. Prices for each variant are on your screen now. The motorcycle also gets a 2nd gen 5-inch TFT screen, 5 riding modes, and full LED lighting. The motorcycle gets the same 312cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine, making 35 odd horses at 9700 rpm, along with 28.7 Newton meters at 6650 rpm in the sport, track, and supermoto mode. The power and torque drop slightly in the urban and rain mode. The motorcycle continues to feature a hybrid trellis frame with aluminium subframe. The bike also gets 41mm USD fork and monoshock as well. The 2025 TVS Apache RTR 310 sees definite improvements in terms of design features and of course the performance as well. And the pricing has been retained as well. Only the BTO 1 and the BTO 2 Dynamic and the Dynamic Pro kits, they see a price revision. Well, prices range from 2,40,000 rupees to 2,85,000 rupees. There are 4 new colorways, and the kind of features that you have on this motorcycle, it makes for a worthy rival to the KTM Duke 390. What are your thoughts on the 2025 TVS Apache RTR 310? Do let us know in the comments below. Did you like the design? Do you like the performance? Would you be willing to consider this motorcycle to be a part of your garage? Let us know. Till then, take care, ride safe. My name is King Shuk. and I'll see you in the next video from NDTV Auto very soon.